Hi guys, as you guys know, you have read in the title, today I am going to play with Gale. But before that, as you see in the season quest, I need to win a game with Nida. I don't like Nida that much, but I'll still play because I have a quest. So let's play. It didn't even took a single minute for matchmaking. Let's go. Oh, another Nida on the list. Let's see if she will team up. So let's go and win. So if you can see that Bo is irritating us. So as you can see, we killed that Bo together. As you guys already know that I believe in that philosophy that same brawler should team up. So let's play. As you guys see, when the brawlers left above there is 8. When it will be 4, I'll just go and die because that will be a win for me and I need only a win. So one win required. Let's get this weird bit out of there. Oh, that B is also teaming with us. Let's play. Oh no, that D. That D is going just after me. Why? How I got slowed down there? That's not nice. Everyone's teaming up against me. I hate this brawler. But I still need to win a game. So let's play again. As you guys see, I'm taking this chest. No problem that Brock's teaming. Just teaming for fun. I don't want to actually team up with him. But I'm teaming it for fun. As you guys know that Brawl Stars is only meant for fun. So I'm teaming. There's an energy drink right there. Let's go and take it. So let's go somewhere else. Try to kill some people. Who's hiding? No one. So guys, someone spectating me. I don't know who. But it's fine. Let's play. Let's see other people die. If we get a hand on someone, that will also be nice. Oh, Boldo's hiding there. I will not harm you. Don't worry. I will not harm you. But I'll definitely harm this one. Who is this? A Dynamite. Dynamite should get harmed. Should I go and kill this one? No. My health will be low. Oh, why everyone's killing me? I don't understand why I can't get a 4th place to win. Just need one game with this brawler. Let's play. When 4 brawlers will be left, I'll go and just... I don't understand why I can't win a game. Woo! That Daryl spared me. I don't know why. But thanks. I don't know why he spared me. Thank you for sparing me, by the way. Let's go and get away. Leon, Cold fighting. Should I go and take some advantage? No, I should not. 8 brawlers left. Oh bhaiyo, oh bhaiyo. Where? Where are you coming without checking? I got my bear by the way. Now that's a win-win for us. Let's get 4th place in this game and continue our quest, our video with Gale. So is this Leon after me? Why? I don't understand. Let's stay calm. Oh, 4 brawlers left, guys. As you can guys see. Oh, I got 4th place, but no matter. 4th place means a win. I got a win, completed this quest, and now let's continue with our video with Gale. 282 tokens, as you can guys see there. Let's play Gale. I got Gale today only. This video is about Gale only, I think. So let's go and play. I am a power 1 Gale. You see, slow and steady wins the race. Voice call of Gale. Let's team up with this Sprout. Let's see if he's teaming or not. I tried to team up, but you betrayed. Means you die. Let's see what can I do of that surge. Can I make a soup out of that surge? I don't know. I don't think I can make a soup out of him. So let's stay over here only. Oh, surge died. So much Nani stuff. I hate Nanis. That surge is hiding there in that bush. So much Nani stuff going on. Let's think if this Nani will team up or not. She killed the surge. Let's take this thing over here. Let's go. Oops. Oh no, I died. Sorry. I didn't thought that surge would have an energy drink. But no problem. Let's play another one. As you can guys see, I got Gale today only, and this is the first time ever I have got Gale. This means I don't have any experience with Gale. So if there's some bad thing happens, so you should understand. Let's wait for this stupid matchmaking when it will happen. I don't know why it is taking so much of time. Let's play. Yeah, 10 out of 10 brawlers. So let's start. Another surge spawned on my side. Surge. Everywhere surge. I don't know when Supercell will give me surge. Surge. Leon and surge stuff.
Gale, you silly sausage.
Gale is a silly sausage. I don't know why Gale is a silly sausage. Oh, let's take this energy drink. And let's kill every single one who tried to betray me. Let's get this. Surge. Oh no, Piper. I hate Pipers by the way. Mr. P coming over me. I don't know why. Don't know there is Mr. P. Everyone's over here only. Let's go from that side. Look guys, I'm so smart. Where? Oh no. This one's very slow. It will not catch me. Let's go. Let's take this one out. Who will stop me? You will stop me! Oh yes, he will. Presley. No one has mercy over here in this match. No mercy means no play. Let's go over here. Take this one. Let's go get some Pam stuff over there. Pam has an energy drink, so let's take down this one. Oh, see, I killed him with my super, but I don't think I will kill this one. Oh no. Pam had 10 power cubes. How would I kill her? Sorry guys. But let's play another one. This matchmaking is taking a lot of time. I don't understand why. $9. Come on, one more. I said one to come. Oh, okay. So let's play. Another Gale in this server. Oh, max power surge. What is a max power surge doing in my server? There should be a power 0 surge in my server. A BB killed a Brock, by the way. Let's take this one before BB comes. BB, what did you thought that you can kill me? I'm not a fool. I don't know how to play with Gale, but I know how to play against a BB. Understood? So now you will... Hey! Oh, that BB is coming. Oh, she saw my super and ran away. What now? What now, BB? What did you thought that you will kill me? Haha, noob died. That Surge went with the energy drink. Oh, he killed the Frank. Very nice, Surge. Thank you for killing him. Let's play another one. Tim killed Zahid. Oh, Tim killed Timmy. So much Gale stuff in this over. I think I can kill him. I don't know how. Let's find some potion. Oh, there's one. I can't go there, he'll push me in the gas. I died. I couldn't have survived there, sorry guys. So our Gale is now rank 10. So let's see how many trophies I got. 23. Nice. You can see guys, I need a little trophies, very little amount of trophies to get a big box. Let's collect a big box after getting 13 trophies.
Slow and steady wins the race.
You see, slow and steady wins the race. Let's go and win this stupid race. I don't know why I have to win this race, but let's win this race. Let's go and take this straight away. Chalo. Let's go. Who's there? Oh, a Jackie. She died. No. I had energy drink. That means I had a lot of damage. She couldn't have any chance to kill me. Let's go and take this. Let's take this little boy. No one's there. And there's a cute little she died. What was that BB doing there? I don't understand. I got 6 trophies. I need 7 more now. So let's see how this match goes. I have no idea how will this match go. I don't understand what's the problem of this match, mate. This is my last match. And I don't understand. If I get a 3rd place, this is my last match. I don't know which place I will get. I have a very low trophies with Gale, so I can get 3rd place easily. 1 brawler need to come. How 10 and then 9? I don't understand that. It's 10 now, let's play. So, another Gale right there. So let's go somewhere else. You guys see, I believe in that philosophy. Same player should team up. I mean, same brawler should team up, not players.
Silly sausage.
Let's stay away from this Tara. Let's hide in this bush. As you guys see, no one's there. Let's go there. Let's hide there. Oh, Tara took that chest. Nani cheated, Tara. Swaroop is killing everyone.
Silly sausage.
Oh, I killed her in 1 hit, otherwise I would have died. You guys see, 1 more brawler need to die. Let's see who dies. Let's hide. Oh no, I need to play another one. You guys see, I got 12 trophies. Let's play another one. Let's get some 5th or 4th place. That will be nice. Why only 5 brawlers are in this server? There should be 10 brawlers. Why it is stuck on 6? Please give me 10. I am at low trophies. I don't deserve this low match being at this much trophies. Let's see. Why is there only 9 out of 10? There should be 10. I don't understand why Supercell trolling me. Let's play. So there's a max spawn near me and there's a Modus spawn near me. And Modus ran away seeing a Gale. Modus cannot kill Gale. I would have killed him in 3 hits. So let's take him down. Let's take this Modus down. Seven brawlers left. 6 brawlers left. I have my super. And I have this Modus on my way. Just need to take care of him. Let's see if he will team up. Nanis are too irritating. Let's go away. Why is no one letting me heal up? Mortis, where are you? I need to kill you. Oh, he died. You see guys, I pulled back that max, otherwise I would have died. Ooh, I needed my super to win. but I didn't get it. That's not a thing. I got third place plus 7 trophies. I rank up and let's see how many trophies I have in total now. 19, so that means I got this mega box and big box. I got nothing. No problem. No problem if I haven't got anything from it. But now my Gale is at rank 11.
Slow and steady wins the
He's a
race.
chromatic brawler. He's on rank 11. He has 2 star powers. 1 gadget only. That's bad. And you guys have seen my 2 power 9 brawlers. And I got a lot of power points for Pam and Tara as I needed. So guys, this is going to be the end for this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and have a nice day.